and we will try to learn one more kind of adjective in this video, that is adjectives of number. These adjectives are also called numeral adjectives. What are numeral adjectives? Very simple. Numeral adjectives are used to represent numbers, or else numbers are used as adjectives. Okay, that's why these are called adjectives of number. In this we have the name. Next one. These tell how many persons or things are numbered. So that's why they are called adjectives of number. Now look at the examples. And before that, there will be a note. We can find these adjectives by asking the question with how many. So by asking the question with how many, and we can find or we can get adjectives of number in the sentence. Now, examples. First one, he has two names. How many names? Two names. So here two is a numeral adjective. Second one, she got first rank. Okay. First rank. How many ranks? First rank, or which rank also we can take first rank. Next one, few plants grow in the deserts. And here how many plants grow? Few plants. So in this sentence, few is numerical adjective, or else adjectives of number. Fourth one, they have learned many things. So in this sentence, how many things? Many things. So many is numerical adjective. And fifth one, most women watch TV serials. How many women? Most women. So here most is adjectives of number. So like this we have in English adjectives of number. Now we will learn about the kinds of adjectives of number. So there are three kinds of numeral adjectives. First one, definite numeral adjectives. What are definite numeral adjectives? These definite numeral adjectives specify or point out a specific number. These denote an exact or specific number. So that's why these are called definite numeral adjectives. And in these again we have two kinds and two types. First one, cardinal adjectives, or we can also call it as cardinals. And in those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. you can say like that. And the second one, ordinal adjectives, and these are called ordinals. And what are ordinals? See here, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, etc. Like this we can say many examples. Now what is the difference between cardinals and ordinals? Okay, listen to me. Cardinals means we can find by putting or by asking how many. So 1, how many? 2, 3. Whereas if we want to know about ordinals, these tell about orders. Okay, these tell about orders. So see here, first, second, third. So this shows that there is an order. That is why these are called ordinals. So we need to remember that one. The next one, indefinite numeral adjectives. These do not denote an exact or specific number. You can take anything. There is no specific number, or there is no exact number here. So that's why these are called indefinite numeral adjectives. And for examples we can take all, many, several, some, any, no, etc. Like this we can take. So all students are present today. So here we can't specify which student, all the students. like this we can say many examples. And the third one is distributive numeral adjectives, and these denote each one of a number. So once again try to understand this one. Distributive means it will denote or refer to each one of a number. Each one means here each noun, each person. See here each girl means each one. Every student, every one of a number. In that how many are there, and it will refer to each person, each student and each number. That we need to understand. So here we have each and every, either and neither also can be taken as distributive numeral adjectives. Now look at the examples. Each girl must take his turn. Okay. It's not his turn, it is her turn. Okay. Each girl must take her turn. And then here each is a distributive numeral adjective. Next one, she knows every student in the school. Again here every means each, and there is a difference between each and every that we will learn later. Third one, you can park on either side of the street. Either is a adjective and side is a noun. Either side of the street. Either side means you can park on your vehicle on this side or that side. That's your wish. So that's why here either side of the street. Okay, like this we have even in adjectives of number 3 types. Once again I tell, definite numeral adjectives, indefinite numeral adjectives, distributive numeral adjectives. So like this we need to remember. I hope you understood about adjectives of number. And if you don't understand, once again try to listen it carefully, and then definitely you will be able to understand what I am explaining to you. So if you like this video, please subscribe it, share it, comment it and just like it. Thank you for watching this video.